Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ironing board holders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5 is the BiJun Ironing Board Holder Wall Mount. This product stands out with its adjustable design, making it compatible with both T-shaped and Y-shaped leg ironing boards. It features a widened metal frame combined with natural wood elements, giving it a sturdy and rustic modern aesthetic. Its dimensions, measuring 12.4 inches by 6.3 inches by 2.9 inches, make it compact yet spacious enough to hold up to 30 pounds. The basket is perfect for organizing your iron, spray bottles, and other laundry accessories. In terms of build quality, the BiJun holder shines with its durable materials and reinforced frame, ensuring longevity while maintaining a stylish appearance. Installation is quick and hassle-free, taking just about 5 minutes. The hooks underneath the basket are removable and adjustable, allowing for flexibility in how you set it up to suit your needs. It's ideal for laundry rooms, but also versatile enough for bathrooms and utility rooms. However, the BiJun holder's bestseller rank, 76,178, and relatively lower customer review count, 4.6 stars from 74 ratings, suggest it's not as popular or proven as some of the other products on this list. Pros include its adjustable hooks and sturdy build, while cons are its limited popularity and slightly heavier weight compared to competitors. Overall, it's a great option for those who want a stylish and durable ironing board holder. Coming in at number 4 is the TJ.MOREE Ironing Board Holder Wall Mount. This versatile product is designed for both T-shaped and Y-shaped ironing boards, and comes with a spacious wooden basket for storing your iron and other accessories. Its dimensions of 12.2 inches by 12.4 inches by 9.25 inches make it slightly larger than other models, offering more storage capacity. The weight limit of 30 pounds ensures it can handle heavy loads without compromising on performance. The carbonized black finish adds a rustic yet modern touch to your laundry room decor, making it not just a functional tool, but also a stylish addition to your space. The build quality is solid, with durable iron construction and a practical basket design that keeps everything organized. Installation is a breeze, as the product comes fully assembled, requiring only a few minutes to mount onto the wall. While this product is highly rated, 4.6 stars from 1,796 reviews, its ranking, 52,611 in home and kitchen, indicates it's less popular compared to others in the TJ.MOREE lineup. Pros include its spacious basket, compatibility with both T and Y-shaped boards, and stylish design. On the downside, its larger size may not suit smaller laundry rooms. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those who need more storage space and appreciate a touch of rustic charm. At number 3, we have the BiJun Ironing Board Holder Wall Mount. This product is designed with a focus on versatility and compactness. It accommodates most T-shaped and Y-shaped ironing boards, while doubling as a storage solution for items like towels, mops, and folding chairs. Its ultra-slim profile is perfect for tight spaces, such as behind doors or in narrow closets, making it an excellent choice for small apartments and RVs. The BiJun holder is made from powder-coated steel with shatter-resistant ABS hooks, ensuring durability even in humid conditions. It's lightweight, weighing only 5.6 ounces, yet it supports up to 100 pounds, which is impressive for a product of this size. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware included. The hooks are sturdy and designed to hold your ironing board securely without causing damage. Despite its high customer rating, 4.7 stars from 1,075 reviews, the BiJun holder ranks lower, number 25,837 in home and kitchen, due to its simplistic design and limited storage capacity. Pros include its compact size, durability, and high weight limit, while cons are its lack of additional storage features. If you value space-saving design and need a reliable holder for heavy-duty use, this is the one for you. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is the TJ.MOREE Ironing Board Hanger Metal Wall Mount. This product builds on TJ.MOREE's reputation for creating stylish and functional laundry room accessories. The wooden-based basket offers ample space for storing your iron, spray bottles, and other essentials, while the 2 long metal hooks securely hold T-shaped ironing boards. The black finish, combined with natural wood elements, provides a rustic yet modern aesthetic, making it a great choice for those who value both form and function. The basket's inner space measures 12.2 inches by 5.7 inches by 2.56 inches, and the hooks underneath extend 7 inches for easy access. It supports up to 30 pounds, ensuring it can handle heavy loads without any issues. Installation is quick and easy, taking just about 5 minutes, with an excellent rating of 4.7 stars from 752 reviews. This product's only drawback is its limited compatibility to T-shaped boards and slightly smaller capacity compared to other models. If you're looking for a stylish, sturdy, and space-efficient solution for your laundry room, this TJ.MOREE wall mount is a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the ORLESS over-the-door wall mount ironing board hanger. This product is the ultimate solution for organizing your ironing essentials. It's compatible with both T-leg and V-leg ironing boards, offering maximum versatility. The compact dimensions, 7.08 liters by 5.9 H by 5.9 W inches, and lightweight design make it ideal for smaller spaces. It can be mounted on the wall or over the door, and the included detachable hooks make installation a breeze. The ORLESS hanger is made from durable iron with a classic cream finish, blending seamlessly into most laundry room decors. It supports up to 35 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest options on the list. The iron holder accommodates both small and large irons, providing a secure place for all your ironing tools. With an impressive customer rating of 4.6 stars from 1,821 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability and thoughtful design. The only downside is its slightly smaller basket size compared to other models, which might limit its storage capacity for additional accessories. However, if you're looking for a versatile, durable, and easy-to-install ironing board holder, the ORLESS hanger is the best choice overall. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.